What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm your host with the most, Jake, and you're watching Guilton Adventures. We're going trout fishing. Today is the 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. Hope you are spending it outdoors. It is 6 a.m. and my friend just pulled up. Time to go catch some trout. Stay tuned.
First cast.
Right on the top of that break up there too.
Spinner looks good.
Huh?
The new Meps looks good that I bought.
Yeah, I mean, how stained it is, it's still pretty flat.
Yeah, I just wish it was a little clearer, yeah.
Fish?
Yeah. No.
Brown? Yep.
Here, you wanna hold my rod? First fish of the day, tiny little brown. Get the release.
Where'd he come out of?
Right in the middle there.
Blackwater area?
Just right in the middle. Good sign.
Yeah, it is. 5 minutes in.
Yeah. It's gotta be right. Giant. This is kind of sick. Loud snagged. Jake's about to catch a 20-incher. It's pretty sweet, guys. Walk up here a sec.
Where does that come from?
I could keep going. It's just like 2 inches. It's just like drainage. Hey, while you're over there, can you get mine too? Doubled up on a snag. Hey, you gotta cast where they are to catch them. Just a little more accurate than that next time for both of us.
I just gotta warm up a little bit.
Yeah, we're not dialed yet, but don't worry. It's early. Loud's got a fish on here. Well, I can't really help you, so it's all you. Little 12, nice 12-incher. A little bigger than mine. Second fish of the day. I'm coming. Flip that bail. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I'm gonna give him some water. A little bit. That's nice. Just hold him over the net. He's gonna flop.
I know.
Here, give me your rod.
I got it. I'm good.
Nice, pretty fish.
Nice, probably.
Hold him.
11 and a half.
11 inch. All right, release time. Fish number 2. There he goes.
He clapped it twice too, because I missed him on the first one.
Did he?
Yeah.
Where'd you catch him?
Just right in the middle, right here.
Right in the middle, yeah. 2. Both browns. Let's go. Just love how my combo is like a $30 10, 15-year-old combo, and I'm still rocking it.
Well, it's like this old white. These are only like 35, 40
Yeah.
bucks. Man.
Yeah. You don't need
Like this would be money too.
You don't need expensive gear to do this.
No, that's the nice thing about it.
The most expensive thing is the spinners.
Yeah, for real.
But you only need a couple. Till you lose them all. All right, Loud, give us the midday update.
Not happening.
All right, he's kind of shy, but we're done with the first spot. I got 2 browns out of there. Water is a little dirty, which we kind of expected to be a little bit. It's not too high though. 2 browns out of the first spot. We're gonna drive 15 minutes down the road and hit up a different creek and catch some more trout, so stay tuned.
Number 2, let's go.
Easy, bud. There is no way there is not a fish under this waterfall. I said there is no way there is not a fish under this waterfall. Oh, I just had a hit. I just had one right here. I saw it. 100%. Yeah. On. Net him? No! That was nice. It's like 13, 14 inches. Could have been the one I had follow. I was taking him right, and then I tried to bring him back left so I could pop him out between us. And as soon as I switched directions, he was off. So I should have just, instead of taking him back left, I should have just kept him coming right and brought him up over here. That was a mistake.
Bet you it's 100 times better up above this dam. Unfortunately.
Got that one, boys.
That's a Brook. That's a rainbow. Can't tell it's off.
Can you hold my pole?
That's a Brookie.
Now that's what the first one was, but a little bigger. Got him out already. Waterfall fish, boys. Spot number 2. We never fished any of these places before. We fished about 200 yards up the creek and didn't have any luck. And we just got to this sweet waterfall that we didn't know was here. And I had a nice one on and I lost it. You guys probably saw that. And now we just got a little brookie here. Nothing big, but super sweet spot and super pretty fish. So we're gonna show her to you guys and then get the release.
That's going on. There it goes.
Got the release, 4th of July. Beautiful waterfall. What's better? Hey, Lau, do you know what time it is?
B-roll time?
Cue the B-roll. just had another follow right here. Yeah, we gotta keep fishing this for a little bit. Yeah, I just saw him. It was another 10, 12 incher, 100%. The GoPro might have got it. Guys, so that's the third bite I've got here. And I think what's happening is the current's coming down fast from the waterfall. And most of my hits have been like right around here where the current kind of slows down and starts to back at you a little bit. And I think it's either one, the deepest hole there that they're kind of sitting in, or they're just waiting for bait coming down from that waterfall. And as soon as that bait kind of slows up and gets in that slack water, that's where those fish are posting up, and that's where I've gotten the 3 bites now. So we fished this for about a half an hour now. We're gonna give it a few casts before we head back to the truck and try spot number 3. Fish? Fourth fish in this hole.
It's such a light bite. It's hard to set on.
I'm about ready. Yeah, I'm just gonna do like 3 more casts along this deeper edge. Maybe, I don't know. I think it was bottom. Was hiding back there. Brook. Oh, I'm glad I cast in there one last time. Chill. There he goes. About a 10-inch brookie. Right out of that crevice in the rock there, which we both casted walking in like twice each. But sweet, we're just about to leave. Bonus. Or it's gotta go right past their face. This fish on. It's a nice one. Beautiful.
Probably right about 10.
Yep, another beautiful brookie. The release. There he goes. Got one. Yeah.
That brand brookie yet?
Another nice brookie here. It's like 6 or 7 now on out of this waterfall spot we just found. Well, I just retied as I broke off, and Loudon got another one. Makes about 8.
I barely have them hooked too. You can see how they're just barely hitting that.
It's about 1 o'clock now. We just got to spot number 3. Spot number 2 was pretty bad until we got to that waterfall. We didn't really, Loudon might have saw 1 fish. We didn't really see any fish or get any bites. Then we got to that waterfall that we didn't know was there, and there's that big pool on the bottom, and we pulled out like 6, 7, 8 brooks and had a few on that we lost. So turned into a pretty cool spot. Again, all these spots are just spots we're going to for the first time, so we don't really know any of them or have any fishing history there. But we're going to try this 3rd spot for a bit and see how it goes. This might be the last spot, but hopefully we catch some fish, so stay tuned.
This looks good.
How's the bottom?
Sand.
I don't know what to think of this so far.
I don't know either.
Fish?
Net. Gone.
Oh,
Was it brown? Yeah. I don't know how he was had tension the whole time. It's like right there. This little deep hole right in front of me. And it's like 3 inches over here. Find a deep, you gotta find our waterfall.
Yeah.
Sure hope so. It's almost not even worth casting. Wonder what that looked like on the GoPro. She is HOT. We'll see how far I can go before I get a heat stroke.
And we are back. Spot 3 ended up kind of being a bust. I had that one brown on that you guys saw me lose. Unfortunately, the river ended up being a little shallower than expected and just didn't seem like it was holding a lot of fish. And the section we went to, there wasn't really a whole lot of winds in it, so didn't really work out. We also were pretty much near getting heat exhaustion because it was 91 degrees and sunny, and we were ready for some water and some air conditioning. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely fun catching a few trout. That waterfall spot was definitely the highlight of the video. Definitely will do some more trout fishing later this year and post it for you guys. So if you like the video, if you like anything hunting or fishing related, please subscribe for more weekly hunting and fishing videos. Thanks and see you later. And happy 4th of July. Hope it was a good one. Hope it was a safe one.
That's a big one.
Haha.